amazing English learners. Welcome to day 5 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. First of all, take a deep breath and give yourself a big smile. Why? Because you showed up again. You pressed play. You are here to practice, to grow, and to move one step closer to your dream of speaking English with confidence. That alone is a victory. Think about it for a moment. How many people around you wish they could speak English fluently? How many say things like, "One day I will start learning," or "Maybe next week I'll practice"? But here's the truth. Wishing doesn't change anything. Waiting doesn't bring progress. Action does. And that's why you are different. You are not waiting. You are not saying maybe someday. You are practicing today, right now, in this moment. That makes you stronger. That makes you unique. That makes you the kind of person who doesn't just dream, but actually takes steps towards success. Now let's talk about today's theme. Hobbies and free time activities. This is one of my favorite topics because hobbies are like little windows into your soul. They tell the world who you are, what makes you happy, and what gives you energy. When you talk about your hobbies, you're not only practicing English, you're sharing your passion, your joy, your story. And trust me, people don't just listen to words. They connect with passion. Just imagine this. You meet someone new, maybe a classmate, maybe a colleague, maybe even a new friend from another country. They smile and ask you, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Instead of freezing, instead of staying silent, you will now have many confident answers. You will be ready. You will shine in that conversation. And here's something powerful. When you talk about hobbies in English, you are not just answering a question, you are building a bridge that connects you to people, to opportunities, and to a more confident version of yourself. So my dear English learners, are you ready for today? I want you to make me a promise right now. Stay with me until the very end of this session. Don't skip, don't pause, don't say, "I'll watch later." Because every single sentence you repeat today is like a seed that will grow into confidence, a seed that will grow into fluency, a seed that will grow into a future where you speak English naturally and fearlessly. Remember, shadowing is not just about repeating words. It's about training your tongue, your ears, and your confidence. So as we move forward, I want you to repeat after me with energy, with clarity, and with belief in yourself. All right. Let's not wait anymore. Let's jump into our 30 sentences about hobbies and free time activities. Repeat after me, shadow my voice, and feel the rhythm of English. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I like reading books. I like reading books. Sentence 2. My hobby is drawing. My hobby is drawing. Well done. Keep going. Sentence 3. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. Sentence 4. Playing football makes me happy. Playing football makes me happy. Sentence 5. I love cooking in my free time. I love cooking in my free time. Great job. You are doing amazing. Sentence 6. Watching movies helps me relax. Watching movies helps me relax. Sentence 7. I sometimes play video games. I sometimes play video games. Sentence 8. I like spending time in nature. I like spending time in nature. Sentence 9. My hobby is gardening. My hobby is gardening. Excellent. Keep repeating with energy. Sentence 10. I enjoy swimming in summer. I enjoy swimming in summer. Sentence 11. I like writing short stories. I like writing short stories. Sentence 12. I often take photos of beautiful places. I often take photos of beautiful places. Sentence 13. I enjoy playing the guitar. I enjoy playing the guitar. Fantastic! You sound great! Sentence 14. My free time is for learning English. My free time is for learning English. Sentence 15. I like dancing with my friends. I like dancing with my friends. Pause for a second, my dear English learners. Do you see what is happening here? You are not just repeating sentences. You are building habits. Every word you repeat is one brick in your foundation of English fluency. Hobbies are not just hobbies. They are your escape, your happiness, and your identity. And now you can express them in English with confidence. So don't stop. Keep going. You are halfway through, and every sentence from now will take you closer to sounding natural and fluent. Sentence 16. I enjoy going for a walk in the park. I enjoy going for a walk in the park. Sentence 17. Reading the news is part of my routine. Reading the news is part of my routine. Sentence 18. I like painting colorful pictures. I like painting colorful pictures. Sentence 19. My favorite hobby is traveling. My favorite hobby is traveling. Wonderful. Keep practicing. Sentence 20. I like watching sports on TV. I like watching sports on TV. Sentence 21. I enjoy singing songs. I enjoy singing songs. Sentence 22. Sometimes I play chess with my friends. Sometimes I play chess with my friends. Sentence 23. My hobby is collecting stamps. My hobby is collecting stamps. Sentence 24. I love exercising in the morning. I love exercising in the morning. Excellent! You're improving step by step. Sentence 25. I enjoy spending time with my family. I enjoy spending time with my family. Sentence 26. I like learning new skills online. I like learning new skills online. Sentence 27. I enjoy watching cartoons. I enjoy watching cartoons. Sentence 28. My hobby is playing basketball. My hobby is playing basketball. Sentence 29. I sometimes write poems in English. I sometimes write poems in English. Sentence 30. I love sharing my hobbies with others. I love sharing my hobbies with others. Fantastic! You have completed all 30 sentences today. Bravo, my wonderful English learners! You just completed day 5 of our 15-day speaking challenge. Today you practiced 30 sentences about hobbies and free time activities. Now think about what this means. From today onward, whenever someone asks you, "What do you like to do in your free time?" you will no longer feel shy. You will no longer struggle to find words. Instead, you will answer with confidence. You will smile and you will connect. Because hobbies are not just hobbies. They are part of who you are. Remember, when you share your hobbies in English, you are not only practicing the language, you are also showing your personality, your joy, and your passion. People connect more deeply with you when they see what excites you, what makes you happy, and what inspires you. That's the real power of English. It's not just grammar or vocabulary, it's connection. Now here's your homework. Go to the comments right now and write in detail. Learning English is my favorite hobby, and my other hobbies are... Then add at least 2 of your hobbies in English. For example, learning English is my favorite hobby, and my other hobbies are painting and playing football. This way, you are not only practicing writing but also building confidence in sharing your life in English. And when you write, others will read your comment and feel inspired too. Together, we are building a learning community. And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit subscribe and press the bell icon. Why? Because tomorrow is day 6 and you don't want to miss it. Every single day in this challenge is like a piece of the puzzle. And when we finish all 15 days, you will see the complete picture of your fluency. So before you leave today's lesson, write your detailed comment below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, share this video with one friend who also wants to improve their English. Finally, let's end with our daily affirmation. Say it with me, loudly and proudly. I am learning. I am improving. I am succeeding. Yes, you are. And I am so proud of you.